So recently, I had the chance to go hands-on with the new Galaxy S25 series from Samsung. I spent quite some time with the phones. In this video, I'm going to give you guys an unboxing of the Galaxy S25 Ultra in the titanium silver blue color, share some camera samples, talk about my experience with the phone, what's changed, what's new compared to last year's phone. And with that being said, let's get started. Starting off with the unboxing, packaging remains the same from last year. There is a silhouette of the phone on top. Lift that lid up and you're greeted with a small compartment that has your SIM ejector tool, a quick start guide, and a USB Type-C to Type-C cable. Next up is the phone itself. Peel that sticker off and it reveals this titanium silver blue finish. There are 6 other colors on the S25 Ultra, 3 of which are exclusive to the Samsung online store. Taking a look at the phone itself, Samsung has made some subtle changes to the design of the S25 Ultra. Just like a lot of companies in 2025, they're moving away from the curved design language and embracing this new flat and boxy design. So the S25 Ultra has a flat front, flat back, and flat sides with rounded corners. And in terms of build, the phone has grade 5 titanium for its frame and Corning's Gorilla Armor 2 for the front and back. So durability wise, the S25 Ultra is really good in my opinion. There are some other smaller changes like the antenna lines have moved a little bit and the camera rings have gotten a little bigger. Towards the front, you have thinner bezels giving you a 92.5% screen to body ratio compared to the 88.5% on the S24 Ultra, and that results in a bigger screen. So you have a 6.9-inch display on the S25 Ultra versus 6.8-inch on the S24 Ultra. And this is the same display in terms of the specifications. So you have Quad HD Plus resolution, this is LTPO AMOLED, 120Hz and 2600 nits of peak brightness. The display looks great and is really fun to use for watching videos, playing games. If you are someone who enjoys a lot of content on their phone, this is a really nice display. Another small detail which a lot of people aren't talking about is that the S Pen on the S25 Ultra does not support Bluetooth. So you can't take pictures while you're away from your phone and do those air gestures anymore. I don't know why Samsung would do that, why they would take away this feature, but this is gone. It's no longer there on the S25 Ultra. The next major change is actually on the inside. The S25 Ultra comes with the new Snapdragon 8 Elite chip made for Galaxy. This has an upgraded vapor chamber with 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM, which is consistent throughout the S25 series. This is their new base model, and a 5000 mAh battery that supports 45 watts wired fast charging. And that's just sad, like Samsung not improving the battery capacity or the charging speed on their new Ultra Flagship makes the whole launch very boring and underwhelming. Here we have companies in 2025 doing 6000 mAh batteries, silicon carbide batteries with super fast charging, 100 watts, 120 watts, 150 watts on budget devices. And here is Samsung with their most expensive phone still stuck at 45 watts. Like, don't get me wrong, the phone flies through everything. It's really fast and snappy. Apps open up and close really quickly. Multitasking is great. You can, play heavy games, do video editing or photo editing. All sorts of intensive tasks are going to work really good on the S25 Ultra. It's just that there's not a lot new about this phone. And in terms of software, you've got Android 15 and on top is going to be One UI 7.0, which has loads of AI features. There are other videos on YouTube that do a deep dive into the AI features, but the whole S25 Unpacked event was about AI. Like, this is the new thing. That's actually what's new with the S25 series. The next significant change is actually to the cameras. The S25 Ultra has a quad camera setup just like last year, but the ultra wide angle camera has changed. It's a 50 megapixel sensor now with f1.9 aperture. The rest of the lenses remain the same. You've got a 200 megapixel main camera, a 10x telephoto, which is a 50 megapixel sensor, and a 10 megapixel 3x telephoto, giving you a lot of zoom. And the camera app has changed a little bit, and you finally have the ability to record log video, which has a lot of data and gives you a lot of flexibility in post. You can do a bunch of color grading, apply LUTs. If you're a content creator, like a serious content creator or a filmmaker, this feature is going to be really useful. And you guys have been looking at the camera samples of the S25 Ultra. You guys let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? Picture quality, video quality is great on the S25 Ultra, but cameras have never been a problem for Samsung flagships. They've always been great. It's just that the phone overall is kind of underwhelming and there's not a whole lot new about it. You have a slightly different design, a slightly bigger display, new chip, different ultra wide angle camera, and new software. Lots of AI features. That's pretty much it. That's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions or queries about the S25 Ultra. I'll be happy to answer those. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.